Everyone, I am Aaron representing FilSwan as an engineering team. So today's video is going to be about how to use the MCS Python SDK. So let's dive right into it. So first of all, what you need to do is go to filswan.com homepage, and this is the exact page that you're going to see. The second thing is you need to get into the API documentation, click on the dev doc, which is going to direct you to this page, and on the left side of the scroll bar you will find a multi-chain storage where you have a developer quick start. So inside the developer quick start, go to the SDK section, and we are going to use Python MCS SDK. So there is also another alternative of JavaScript MCS SDK, which we are not going to talk about today. So it's going to be the Python. Right. So let's also open up our GitHub code base, where you will be able to commit this whole section of the codes, which is a must prerequisite. You'll also need to have a MetaMask wallet set up and also an Alchemy account. Alright, so let's get a bit detailed into the documentation. So here are a few prerequisites. Web3 Python package that you will automatically get when you clone the GitHub link, the MetaMask wallet, the Polygon mainnet RPC, Alchemy tutorial, which you're going to find it right here, and all the things. You can also use the manual method that is linked to this page right here. Alright, so let's go directly to the code section. Alright, the VS Code, you will see the Python MCS cloned folder, and inside the folder you must create a .env_main environment variable file, which will consist of three things. One is the wallet address, which you will get from the MetaMask, the private key, which also will be extracted from the MetaMask wallet, and the RPC endpoint, which you will use Alchemy to get an URL from. Alright, other than that, the prerequisites will be done in terms of environment variable. The other thing is you need to go to test.py. If there is no file, then you could create a test.python file, and where you need to import all your codes. If you have cloned, then probably you might already have these codes. If not, then please have a look at these on the screen, and you could also change your file name, which will also exist in the same root folder right here, which says hello. So this is the file that we're trying to upload in the Polygon mainnet, right? Alright, so let's save this and let's run the command. So we need to go to the root folder and set Python 3, which the reason why I'm writing Python 3 is because I'm using Python 3rd version, and the file name test.py. Alright, okay, so the update is completed right now. If you go to the multi-chain storage and log in, then you will find your file that has been uploaded. So you will probably see right here, yeah, this is the one that has been uploaded right now. So you could also mint from this side, or you could also use the API doc to have to run the minting function, which is given right here. You could also pay for the data storage, and you use this doc to use the code to directly use localhost command line. So the function that we executed right now is to upload the file. I'll repeat it again. So this is the file to upload it, test.py, which has these codes. We have created a file on the root folder of mcs-sdk. Alright, that is it, and let me show you the file that we have created, which might consist of hello. Yeah, this is the right one right here. The file had hello, and it's updated right here. Alright, let's verify the file. Yes. Alright, thank you guys, have a great day.